Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Meeting. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started, whether you're hosting a large webinar or a small team meeting. Zoho Meeting is a powerful tool designed for seamless online collaboration, offering a secure and user-friendly platform for all your virtual communication needs. Let's dive in and explore its capabilities. Scheduling a meeting is straightforward. Once logged in, navigate to the Schedule Meeting option. You'll then fill in important details such as the meeting topic, date, and time. After scheduling, you can easily invite attendees by sharing the unique meeting link or sending email invitations directly from the platform. When it's time, simply click Start Meeting to begin your session. Joining a Zoho meeting is just as simple. You'll typically receive a meeting link from the host. Clicking this link will prompt you to enter your name and email address before joining the session. Once inside, you'll find intuitive controls for your microphone and camera. You can also actively participate using the chat function, view shared screens, and even raise your hand virtually to ask questions. Zoho Meeting offers several powerful features to enhance your experience. Screen sharing is excellent for presentations, allowing you to display documents or applications. Recording your sessions ensures that important discussions are captured for review or for those who couldn't attend. Remember to use the chat for quick questions and sharing links. For the best experience, always ensure you have a stable internet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.